I had bilateral knee replacements back in 2012.
I had my knee replacement 7 months ago.
I had my knee replaced 2 years in January.
I had my knee replacement done in March, of this year.
I had my knee replacement 2 years ago in November.
We talked among ourselves at church and things we had in common.
And then as we're talking about it, we're finding out everyone had Dr. Luchetti.
In fact, I kidded him. I asked him if he had the franchise for Grace United Methodist Church.
And one of the reasons I chose Dr. Luchetti was because I know he was very aggressive about the recovery. And to me, that was huge.
I started PT the next day.
I lived by myself in an old Victorian house, and I thought I was going to have to go to assisted care. But a physical therapist came to my house. I was doing as much as a person who had been in physical therapy for a while.
After the surgery, I had good pain, all healing pain, and it really was healing pain.
It's just phenomenal. My knee is as good as it's ever been.
Since the knee replacement, I'm out every day, either on the bicycle or walking.
I had a really good experience and I have honest no pain today.
I would recommend it. The work is worth it,
Oh, 100%. I would highly recommend Dr. Luchetti and Coordinated Health as a whole. I really do.